Oh shit. Hey guys, what's going on? For this video, we're gonna be doing a hardwiring of this radar unit that I picked up. It's the Uniden R3, and I got it on sale right about the time when the R7 came out. So, such a great deal, such great reviews. So I picked it up. And today we're gonna be hardwiring everything because I've been running the suction mount and also these cables right here. So let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. Alright, so I'm slipping this in. I'm trying to take this outwards, so to the right. And there you go. This is already out. Coming this way. And that's it. I'm trying to pull it outwards like that. Just don't want to break it. Oh shit. Based on this, I'm just going to trust the form. I didn't bring a multimeter or anything. The black and solid yellow, that's going to be your constant or your switched power. And the brown with the dots or the bar right there, that's going to be the grounded wire. So we got the Uniden R3 here, and we got the RJ11 adapter here. Alright, so let's go ahead and see if it works. I don't think it's going to work right now because the power is a switched connection. So I'm going to just plug it in anyway. And after I plug it in, I'm going to turn on the car.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser.
Alright, so that's perfect. I'm just gonna leave it here. So that's it. It was easier. I shouldn't jinx it. Maybe something's gonna go wrong, but it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be after reading the forums. Putting in the mirror was, I guess, the hardest part. But for me, it was kind of just taking apart the adapter, separating the adapter from the mirror itself. I don't know. I was expecting some sort of tab from each side, but it wasn't. You just kind of have to squeeze through and pinch it, and then pulling it apart. That was the most surprising thing for me, actually. So everything's good. Everything's mounted. If you take a look, this clamshell right here, it's just enough space for everything. Alright, I'm gonna probably loop it around like so, and then connect it after I get the blend mount. Connect the R3 over here, so it should be pretty camouflaged. The R3 is gonna be going, I would say, right over here. Alright, the only thing is, I'm not gonna have one of my favorite things in the car overhanging the mirror. So I need to find some place here that can maybe work. But I'm excited to get the blend mount to see what's going on. But basically, the blend mount's gonna go on like so. It's gonna hold this here, and then this thing, this really short braided wire, is gonna go connect via the RJ11 connection, and we're pretty much on our way. A few tips to add, I mean, on top of all the gurus out there, right, who assisted me prior to me doing this, is basically you're going to be wedging I use a chiseler here for tinting. I used it, separated the two clamshell openings, opened it up. Passenger side goes right, left side clamshell goes left. And then after you separate this part, you basically just there's a tab right here, as you can remember from a few minutes ago. You're separating that tab, and then you kind of just gently pulling down, and you're good with this ball joint cover right here. As far as taking away the mirror, I would suggest that you mark everything with a Sharpie so that you know which direction the mirror should be going when you're putting everything back in, and also when it's set, you know the fixed position, the permanent position is back in its original locked position, I guess, right? Other than that, I would assume everything is straightforward. Thanks again to the forum members who went ahead and told me which connection it is, right? For me to hardwire tap into. This particular set comes with a smaller pin. Actually, the pin I used was just right, so that's what I used. I didn't go ahead and use a small pin. And it comes with some cable ties in which I didn't use. I just shoved everything back in. Hopefully it doesn't rattle around. I doubt it would be. And after everything's said and done, you just pop everything back in and put everything in reverse order. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing and everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video.